First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer files from iPhone to computer, run the software. Connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. Once connected, click Books as an example to view all books. Select the files you want to transfer, then click Export and choose a destination folder on your computer to save them. The selected files will be saved to your computer.